Tonight I'm in Utah. I'm exploring a new area for me. Looked it up online. Basically was trying to find a place that had basically beautiful fall colors to enjoy. So found that spot, and it is it's breathtaking. Yeah, it's pretty amazing over here. I'm definitely gonna be grabbing tons of drone footage and video of the area because it's absolutely beautiful. Love the fall, my favorite time of the year to camp. So but mostly want to focus on just getting in here tonight. It's about 6 o'clock roughly, so I'm just going to focus on getting set up here, make some dinner, and then go exploring more tomorrow and shooting some video and stuff. So I'm excited about that. I had to throw the drone up really quick, get some what looked like cool shots. We'll see later, but I hope you enjoyed that. Now time to cook some dinner. Venturing out of my comfort zone a little bit. For those who don't know, usually when I'm out camping, I'm usually just cooking just freeze-dried meals, hot water, and a bag of food. So for me, this is a little bit out of my comfort zone. Cooking a full-on meal actually, so should be interesting. We'll see how it goes. It's a relatively easy meal, so I mean it's gonna be pretty hard to mess up probably, and it's just gonna be basically turkey and squash mix, and I'm gonna do it over rice. We got zucchini, squash, then some onions, ground turkey, spices, red enchilada sauce. Hey, how's it going?
Can I steal some of that firewood I just got me still?
From over there? Yeah, for sure, man. Go for it. It's all yours.
I'm like, damn it, he's here, really?
What's that? It's at about 70,000. Tacoma? Yeah. Sure. I mean, Toyota, what else do you expect? Yep. Exactly. You do your maintenance, you'll be good. All right, man. Have a good one. Yeah, this is getting better and better. I can't recommend this actually enough. This is really good. I got pineapple mandarin. Happy surprise. I did not have high hopes for it, to be honest. Doesn't sound like I don't know. They basically had two flavors. I think it was only the Arnold Palmer and then the pineapple mandarin. So I was trying to change it up a little bit, so I got both of them and worked out. That's a healthy portion. Pretty good. Has a nice kick to it. I think that's the enchilada sauce combined with the healthy amount of chipotle pepper that I put in it. But it's perfect. Especially on tonight, it's you know, relatively chilly out. Probably like 50 degrees maybe right now. It's supposed to get down to I think the 40s, so it's perfect. The spice is warming me up, along with just being a hot meal on its own. It's good to get out of your comfort zone. It's worked out. Been doing a lot of driving and exploring tonight, or well, today, I guess, rather. But settled into this spot, still in Utah right now. Maybe, I don't know, like an hour from the Utah-Idaho border, so pretty good spot. Pretty cool area. Still lots of cool fall colors in this spot, so happy about that. It's been fun driving around and just exploring. Didn't feel much of it. Was just kind of doing it for fun, doing it for me, so enjoyed that. But yeah, just gonna reheat what I had last night for dinner and then have a campfire, go to bed, and hopefully wake up early tomorrow morning and get home at a reasonable time for Sunday.